Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is RUP-GAN, a black box attack method for social intelligence recommendation system based on adversarial learning. The abstract of our project is RUP-GAN is a smart hacking tool that tricks recommendation systems like Netflix or TikTok by creating fake user profiles. It uses AI to generate realistic looking profiles that push certain content to the top of recommendations, all without knowing that the system works inside. The main objective of our project is to manipulate recommendation systems. Like in YouTube's or Instagrams, you may get suggestions to see certain videos repeatedly. Though it is not familiar, it will be in the suggestions. This attack will make video appear on everyone's For You page or in first prior suggestion, like creating fake user profiles that look like real profiles, and it manipulates the target system to feed the recommendation to the user, using these profiles to fool the system into promoting or hiding specific contents. Doing this secretly without getting caught by the target system is the performance evaluation of this project. Now let's move on to the architecture diagram. These three parts are very crucial for the attack. The one is generator, the other is discriminator. These two are the part which will be taken part in attack, and the target system is that social media which we use, YouTube, TikTok, likewise. The role of generator is to create fake user profiles that makes profile look very indistinguishable from real user. It generates fake user which look alike as real profile users, and the part of the role of discriminator is to check if the profiles are real or fake. The feedback from the director will be the tell how to improve its fakeness. When we direct a real profile, it suggests a generator to create more fake profiles like this. The role of director is to give feedback whether to improve the fakeness and to check it is real or fake. The target system is the recommendation system being attacked, like YouTube, which we use, and these target system are the black box which we use here. It doesn't know what we are working inside or how we manipulate the system to recommend. It doesn't know anything. It remains as the real user is seeing those videos frequently, and the suggestions are created by the real user, but we created those recommendation using fake profiles. The data sets are collected from Kaggle. The data which we collected contains information about music artist. In that we have artist information from the top priority, popularity, and to the low popular artist. We can check attack rate by indulging the low popularity artist to be recommended to the top list. Those data sets are we process that with handling the missing values, label encoding, normalization, such that after the pre-processing step we will be predicting the attack rate. Here we use RUP-GAN generator to create fake profiles. For example, user B watches 10 cat videos means the detective checks profiles and compares fake profiles with the real user data. The main role for the detector is to detect fake, the profile is fake or real. If profiles are fake, the faker tweaks them, and it will look very realistic, and these steps are repeated until the profile passes as real. The fake profiles are sent to target system. The realistic fake profiles are fed into the recommendation system. For example, there is thousands of fake profiles liking a new cooking video. Means the target system thinks everyone loves cooking video, and the video will be appearing in 1,000 real user feeds. Check the attack success means when the video is promoted or recommended in real users, we can find out that the attack has happened. Here we check attack rate by scrubbles rate of the artist, which they have higher scrubbles and lower scrubbles. We will be promoting lower scrubbles artists to the prior list, and these direction and success rate will be viewed in our website. Now let's see the demo of our project. This is the web page which we have created, and this is the overview of RUP-GAN and how it works. The user should register and the attack simulation, and we can analyze the results. As a new user, you have to create account and register. So this is our register page. As a new user, you have to register your name, email, password, and confirm password, and give register, and enter the registered username and password, and give login, and it will be directed to the prediction page. Here we are going to select username. You can give username, or you can select the target artist which we are going to predict. And for example, let me give BTS. You have selected BTS artist, and we are going to check whether it is promoted or not. Then now you can give run attack, and it will be directed to the result page. Here the artist name will be displayed and the user ID, and these scrubbles are the popularity of the artist. It is the original scrubble. Priorly the scrubble rate of BTS is 29%, and now after the RUP-GAN attack, the scrubble of BTS is 85%, and 190% will be increased. For more clear explanation, this is the top 5 artist list from the dataset before the attack. Taylor Swift, Billie Eilish will be on the top list, and after the attack, BTS will be in top 5. Priorly, it is not in the top 5. After attack, it will be on the top list. And we can have another attack also by clicking this button. And to view the overview of our project, just click View Project Flow. Here in the dataset, we can view the datasets which we have given or used. Here the movie ratings and the product which we sell and its popularity will be displayed here, and the visualization plot for more analysis. This is the original item interaction, and it is a perturbed interaction, and the success rate of our product is 95%, and this is the recommendation matrix and robustness comparison for many algorithms compared to RUP-GAN, we get 89% score. And this is our training loss and number of epochs according to the loss. And this is the model architecture which we used here, the generator architecture, discriminator, what are the layers which we have given will be displayed here. And the accuracy of our project is 91%, and we can use. And this is the overview of our project. By clicking this, we can view that. And here is the logout button. When we click that, it will be redirected to the login page. Thank you.